In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to develop a professional joke writing persona and generate high-quality humor content. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening ChatGPT in my web browser to set up my custom persona. I have a detailed prompt ready in a separate notepad window that defines exactly who I am and the style of humor I need. I am acting as Josh, a content creator who needs clever, relatable, and professional humor for presentations and social media. I'll highlight and copy this entire persona description, then paste it directly into the ChatGPT input field and hit send. You can see the AI immediately confirms the persona, outlining the specific audience, tone, and quality rules it will follow to stay consistent with my brand. Now that the persona is established, I'm going to put it to work with a specific topic. I'll head back to my notes and copy a prompt asking for 10 jokes about the common experiences of working from home. Once I paste this in and send it, ChatGPT generates a variety of humor, including quick one-liners, observational jokes about Zoom backgrounds, and self-deprecating humor about my morning routine. I'm scrolling through these now to see how well they land. To make this content even more effective for a professional setting, I'm going to ask the AI to pick the top 3 jokes from this list and rewrite them to be even punchier. I'll paste that instruction now. The AI selects the best options, explains why the punchlines work for a professional audience, and provides a sharper version of each to ensure they get the best reaction. Next, I want to explore a different angle, so I'll copy a prompt focused on social media culture and the way people behave online. I'm looking for jokes that feel authentic to platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram. I'll paste that into the chat, and the AI delivers a new set of jokes that poke fun at things like hustle culture and the obsession with filters. Finally, I want to understand the mechanics of the humor being created. I'll copy a final prompt asking for an explanation of the rule of 3 and the misdirection technique. After I paste this, ChatGPT provides a clear breakdown of these classic comedy structures. It explains how the rule of 3 builds a pattern before breaking it, and how misdirection leads the audience toward one conclusion before revealing another. To wrap things up, the AI provides 5 original examples for each technique centered around startup culture, showing me exactly how to apply these professional comedy tools to my own content. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.